For the best medical and paramedical lectures, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay connected with us.
Hello everyone. So myself Tony Dabi. Welcome back to our channel Nursing Association. Today we will take lecture and the topic of the lecture is leptospirosis. So let's begin the topic. So a bacterial disease spread through the urine of infected animals. Leptospira interrogans causes leptospirosis. तो ये एक ऐसी डिजीज़ है जो इन्फेक्टेड एनिमल्स के यूरिन से होती है और ये डिजीज़ ह्यूमंस को डायरेक्ट इफेक्ट करेगी थ्रू देयर यूरिन्स और वाटर और सॉइल या फिर कंटामिनेट फूड से भी इन्फेक्ट होगी ह्यूमंस कैन गेट लेप्टोस्पाइरोसिस थ्रू डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट विथ यूरिन फ्रॉम इन्फेक्टेड एनिमल्स और थ्रू वाटर सॉइल or food contaminated with their urine. It's most common in warm climate. Animal infection. The organism infect a variety of both wild and domestic mammals, especially rodents, cattle, swine, dogs, horses, sheep and goats. ठीक है, तो ये सारे एनिमल्स हैं जिससे ये इन्फेक्शन स्प्रेड हो सकता है. तो लेट्स go for the further human infection. The human infection usually results from exposure to environmental sources such as animal urine, contaminated water or soil, or infected animal tissue. Portals of entry include cuts or abraded skins, mucous membranes, or conjunctiva. The infection may rarely be acquired by injection of food contaminated with urine or via aerosols. Controversy exists as to whether leptospira can penetrate the intact skin. तो ये डिजीज़ ह्यूमंस में कैसे स्प्रेड होगी. तो अगर ह्यूमन में अगर कोई कट होता है या फिर स्किन रैशेस और थ्रू म्यूकस ये एंट्री कर सकता है ह्यूमन में. ठीक है, और ये एक ऐसी डिजीज़ है लेप्टोस्पायरा जो पूरे बॉडी में एंट्री हो सकता है. सो लेट्स डू गो फॉर द फर्दर रिस्क फैक्टर्स. ठीक है, तो व्हाट आर द रिस्क फैक्टर्स ऑफ द लेप्टोस्पायरोसिस. सो फर्स्ट इज अ ऑक्यूपेशनल एक्सपोजर. So in the occupation exposure, there are farmers, abattoir workers, trappers, veterinaries, loggers, civil workers, rice farmers, pet traders, military personnel, laboratory workers. So these all are in the occupation exposure. Then second is a recreational activities. So in that fresh water, swimming, canoeing, kayaking, then trail biking. So these all are in the recreational activities. Then third one is a household exposure. So in the household exposure, there are pet dogs, domesticated livestock, then rainwater catchment system, then infestation by infected rodents. So these all are in the household exposure. And the others are the walking barefoot through surface water, skin lashes, contact with the wild rodents, accidentally laboratory exposure. So these all are the risk factors of the leptospirosis disease. So let's go to further signs and symptoms. So what are the signs and symptoms, or we can say as what are the clinical features of leptospirosis. So first one is a rashes. Then second is headache, then vomiting, then high fever, abdominal pain, red eyes, muscle pain, jaundice, diarrhea, cold. These all are the signs and symptoms of the disease leptospirosis. So let's go for the further. There are leptospirosis signs and symptoms. You can see high fever, vomiting, diarrhea, red eyes, muscle ache, rash, chills, headache, and lung problems. These all are the signs and symptoms of this disease. So let's go for the further. The further is a treatment. What are the treatment can we prevent from the disease leptospirosis? So leptospirosis can be treated with an antibiotic that should be given as early in the course of illness as possible. ठीक है, तो अगर लेप्टोस्पायरोसिस होता है तो हमें एंटीबायोटिक प्रोवाइड करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर एंटीबायोटिक प्रोवाइड करेंगे तो जल्दी से जल्दी ये डिजीज़ को हम क्योर कर सकेंगे. If you have symptoms of leptospirosis and have been exposed to water potentially contaminated with urine of infected animal, कंसल्ट अ डॉक्टर। ठीक है, तो अगर आपको ये लेप्टोस्पायरोसिस डिजीज़ के अगर आपको कोई ऐसे सिम्टम्स दिखाई देते हैं, ठीक है, तो फिर आपको जल्दी से जल्दी कंसल्ट अ डॉक्टर। ठीक है, क्योंकि आप कंसल्ट डॉक्टर करेंगे तो जल्दी जल्दी आपकी ये डिसीज़ हम ये क्योर कर सकेंगे। सो इफ़ लेप्टोस्पायरोसिस इज सस्पेक्टेड, appropriate antibiotic will be prescribed। ठीक है, then treatment is most effective when started as soon as possible। then clinicians should never wait for the result of laboratory test before starting treatment with antibiotics। So second treatment two, in uncomplicated cases the oral doxycycline is effective। ठीक है, अगर कोई अनकॉम्प्लिकेटेड केसेस होता है तो हम ओरल डॉक्सीसाइलिन इफेक्टिव बहुत है तो ये देना चाहिए। देन इन हॉस्पिटलाइज पेशेंट द पेनिसिलिन जी इज़ द ड्रग ऑफ चॉइस। And the third one is in severe from the third generation, cephalosporin are as effective as penicillin G। So these all are the treatment of the leptospirosis। सो व्हाट आर द प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स। ठीक है, अगर आपको लेप्टोस्पायरोसिस डिजीज है तो आप कौन कौन से ऐसे प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स ले सकेंगे। सो फर्स्ट वन इज अ वेयरिंग प्रोटेक्टिव क्लोथ्स। ठीक है, कौन कौन से प्रोटेक्टिव क्लोथ्स लाइक ग्लव्स, बोट्स, स्पेक्टिकल्स, एप्रॉन एंड मास्क। देन सेकेंड इज कवरिंग स्किन लेसिस विथ वाटरप्रूफ ड्रेसिंग। Then third is preventing access to or giving adequate warning about water bodies known or suspected to be contaminated, pools, ponds, rivers, etc. Try to avoid swimming in potentially contaminated water. Then washing or showering after exposure to urine splashes or contaminated soil or water. Then wash and clean your wound. Then avoiding or preventing urine splashes and aerosols, avoiding touching ill or dead animals or assisting animal in giving birth. Then strictly maintaining hygiene measures during care or handling all animals. Then wear feasible disinfected contaminated areas like scrubbing floors in stables, butchers, abattoirs, etc. Then consuming clean drinking water. So let's see the pictures of preventing leptospirosis. So here are the pictures. First is wear protective clothes. Then second is cover skin rashes with waterproof dressing. Then third is don't wade or swim in potentially contaminated water. Then wash or shower after potential exposure. Then clean your wounds. Then don't touch sick or dead animals. Then consume clean drinking water. So this is all about the preventing leptospirosis. So leptospirosis can have mild flu-like symptoms and can appear similar to dengue, typhoid, and viral hepatitis. So you should consult a health professional if you have symptoms of leptospirosis and have been exposed to the contaminated water. So don't self-medicate with antibiotics. Okay. So this is a very important topic, leptospirosis. So that's it guys, this is all about the leptospirosis. Hope you all like this lecture. Please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more amazing lectures. Thank you so much for listening. We will be back with another lecture. Till then, be happy, stay home, stay safe.
Do like, leave a comment, and share with your friends.